Have you ever wondered what it takes to transform your space with ceramic tile? Join K&T Custom Home Builds in the marvel of stunning ceramic tile installation. Ceramic tile is a versatile and durable choice for flooring, and we take great pride in ensuring every tile is perfectly placed. Precision is key in our work. Our team meticulously measures and marks the layout to ensure a flawless finish. Our skilled craftsmen use the latest tools and techniques to cut tiles with absolute precision. For all your custom home and renovation needs, choose K&T Custom Home Builds, where excellence meets craftsmanship. Contact us today to bring your vision to life.